You're staring at that buy now button. Your palms are sweating. You know deep down that cheap tech usually ends up in the trash within a month. We have all been there. You want that crisp resolution. You want those vibrant colors. However, your bank account is screaming at you to stay humble. That is exactly where this new budget display from Xiaomi enters the frame. It feels like a trap at first. They promise you a massive 27-inch screen. They promise you high resolution that makes your old screen look like a blurry mess from the 90s. Then you see the price tag and you think there has to be a catch. I sat down with this unit for a while. I wanted to see if it actually delivers or if it is just clever marketing. Let me tell you, the first time you fire up a sharp, ultra-high resolution screen after years of staring at standard high definition, it is like putting on glasses for the first time. The text is suddenly sharp. You can actually read those tiny lines of code without squinting. The colors on this specific panel are surprisingly punchy. It does not look washed out or gray like those bargain bin monitors we usually see. The bezels are so thin they almost disappear into your desk setup. It looks like a high-end piece of hardware. It looks like it should cost twice as much. Gaming on it feels fluid too. It is not some crazy professional grade speed, but at 100 Hz, everything just glides. Moving windows around your desktop feels effortless. But we have to talk about the dark side of buying budget gear. This monitor is a total gamble if you are not careful. The brightness is fine for a normal room. But if you have a massive window right behind you, you are going to be fighting some serious glare. It is not going to blow you away with blinding light. Also, there are no speakers. None. If you do not have a headset or external speakers, you are sitting in silence. But the biggest red flag is the quality control. You might get a unit that lasts you 5 years of heavy use. Or you might get a unit that flickers out after 3 weeks of light office work. That is why you absolutely cannot buy this from some random third-party seller. You need that official warranty. You need a safety net. If you buy it from a reputable shop, the risk suddenly feels worth it. For students who are staring at essays for 10 hours a day, the extra screen real estate is a lifesaver. For casual gamers who want a prettier world to explore without spending $1,000, this hits the sweet spot. It is a tool for the budget-conscious creator who needs accurate enough colors to edit a video without breaking the bank. It is not a scam, but it is definitely a calculated risk. When it works, it feels like you stole something, because the value is just that high. When it fails, it hurts. So, if you are ready to upgrade your desk, just make sure you have that paper trail and a solid return policy. This display proves that high-end visuals are finally trickling down to the rest of us. It is sleek. It is sharp. It makes your workspace look like $1,000,000. Just do not expect it to be perfect. Expect it to be a massive leap forward from whatever blurry old screen you are currently using. That jump in resolution alone is worth the price of admission. You will see details in your photos and movies that you never noticed before. It makes the digital world feel a lot more real. Just remember to keep that receipt close. In the world of budget tech, peace of mind is the most important feature.